Hello? Are you here because you can't find the secret rooms in the 3 helicopter houses? Well, I got you. Click this purple house. Click this helicopter toy multiple times until it flies. Go inside. And now do this swing parkour. After you did it all, you can have this gift right here. Click this red, yellow and green house. The portal is already unlocked cause I opened the portal. Don't worry, I have a footage of me unlocking the portal. Follow what I do. Copy this. Click this house. Click this painting. Now you are in the basement with a plane. You can't ride the plane, but you can explore the basement.